Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel and I am Atanu Betal, and in this video we discuss about the some mistakes in student life, means in college life and in school life. The students make some mistakes, and about this mistake we discuss in this video. What are the mistakes that are made by students in the school life and in the college life? So, and let's start our discussion. The first mistake that students do in school life and college life is the time management. Time management is very important thing, because if time pass once, it cannot be returned back by any means. So for this reason, time is very important factor, and you have to manage your time. Okay, you manage your time means where you can use how much amount of time you have to decide it, and then you have to use only that much amount of time in that matter. Okay, so time management is very important thing for a student in school life or in college life. Another important thing that I think students make mistake, that is the engaging in social networking. In social network, if you engage more in your student life, then you are giving less amount of time in your education or in your study, and for this reason what will happen, you will skip some chapters, you will skip some learnings that are in your syllabus. So for this reason, don't it is difficult to complete the other task, or complete the studies task for student, because of more social networking engagement. So social networking engagement is one mistake for the student life. Another important thing is watching movie. Some students use to watch more number of movies. I think it is one mistake in the student life. If you watch more movies, at that time you use more time in watching the movie, so you cannot give proper time to your subjects, to proper time for studying your subjects. So for this reason, this more movie watching could be a big mistake in student life. Another important thing is party. If you attend more number of parties without any planning, you just going to more number of parties, then it will harm your education also. Then skipping classes or class bunk, this one is very popular for some student, class bunk or skipping classes. But this skipping classes or class bunk may cause a difficult thing for you, because this class bunking or the skipping of class may turn difficult to you, because if you do not know your subject, or if you do not understand your subject properly, then you cannot do good things in the future. So for this reason, skipping classes is not a good idea. Another important thing is not asking question in class. In the class or in classroom, when when a class is going on, that time some students do not ask any questions, because they don't like to ask any question. But this is a bad thing, because in class, in a class, it must need to be an interactive class. You must ask some question to your teachers. Because of lack of question making in the classroom is not good or interactive one. So for this reason, ask question. Another important thing is not maintaining a daily routine. For a student, as a student, you have to maintain a daily routine. In your daily routine, you have to know that when you will study a subject, and which subjects do you like to study, and how many hours do you like to study for a particular subject. So for this reason, or you do some other task in the same day, for that time, for that task you also need to use some time. So for this reason, you need to make a daily routine, to maintain a daily routine. Okay. Next important mistake is studying continuously or non-stop studying. Some students make mistake in this position, that they study non-stop, means studying continually studying. That is a bad thing, because it will harm your physical condition, it may affect your physical condition. So for this reason, continue studying is a very bad thing. uh, Next important thing is not asking for the help from classmate. Suppose you don't know about a topic or about some portion of the chapters, but your classmate know very well, and classmate all the other classmates are doing very well in that part. So that time you need to ask for their help, because they can help you to know about the part that you don't know. So for this reason, your classmate can teach you. Your classmates are very important for giving you class that you lack of, or have problems in some portion of the subjects. So for this reason, take the help of your classmates. Next important point is pleasing the opposite sex. This is very dangerous thing. Opposite sex means for girls boys, and for boys girls. The opposite sex are attracted each other, and this attraction may cause a difficult means situation, and this will cut off your time from education or studying. So this type of pleasing factor, like boys girls pleasing each other, is means very big mistake in the student life. I think you have to control this point, pleasing on each other, boys and girls. And following wrong influence is a very dangerous thing. Suppose you are watching in a movie that a 9 years old girl is making a great career in Hollywood, and for watching this movie, you like to decide that you, at the age of 15 or 12, you can also be a great celebrity. Or that doesn't happen. Okay. So this type of wrong influence may lead a bad career. So for this reason, you don't need to drive towards the wrong influence. Another important thing is you have to know your future job and employment news. Suppose you are a college student, and you are doing a course or a degree. So that time you have to aware of that in after completing the degree or college, where you can get jobs, what are the employment news that are coming right now. So you have to aware of this thing, that employment knowledge, the future jobs. So you have to aware about these things, because otherwise after passing the college degree or any kind of degree, you will find some disturb moments, because you are not making any plan previously, or you are not watching any the advertisement or news regarding the employment. Then too early career setting. Don't decide too early to set your career, that what professions you want to go. So don't take the early decisions for profession selecting. Another important thing is Google is not the solution for every problem, each and every problem. Google is important to us. This search engine gives us more valuable information, and nearly all types of information that I know it. But you don't need to keep in mind that this search engine is the solution of your all problems. Okay. Next important thing that you have to know, that digital relationship is a very poor thing. It is causing a distance from the persons. in social distancing, it is creating more social distancing. So for this reason, digital relationship is making a number of problems in our life, okay, because it is a distance relationship, and in distance relationship we cannot hear each other properly, we cannot see the action of or body language of each other properly. So for this reason, digital relationship or distance relationship is a very is affecting or maybe a mistake in the student life. Or ignorance in exam in student life, most number of student or some number of student, they are giving no attention towards the examination. They know that examination is coming soon, but do not give any importance to that thing, that examination is coming soon. So this is a big problem, big mistake in the student life. Another important thing is skipping breakfast in each day. Generally girls do it more. So breakfast must be means you must take your breakfast, otherwise your health condition may be affected. So your health may be or you may feel illness. So for this reason, every day you must need to take your breakfast at right time. And next important thing is lack of revision. Most of the cases students got poor marks due to the lack of revisions in their chapters that are present in the syllabus. So for this reason, the study materials provided by your teachers and in the classroom, the discussing topic must be revised periodically, because if you revise this topic periodically, that will give you more confident and more better answer writing skill in the examination time. So for this reason, you have to know that revision you have to practice the subject well and revise the subject or topic more number of times. In this way you can eliminate the number of faults that you may make in the examination time. Then enough sleep is very important. You have to sleep enough. Not you need to you need to skip the sleep, because sleeping is very important for our body. We are human beings, so for this reason sleeping is very important for our body. Don't skip the sleeping, okay. Sleeping is very important. Another important thing is stress in student life. Some students get some stressful conditions. I think if you have any problem, then tell to other that they can help you, and you don't need to make any stress, because I know that some stressful moments are coming, but I think this stress can be easily overcome by taking the suggestions from other. Another important thing is the exercise. In student life, it is the time for making your body. So for this reason, you have to exercise every day. Proper exercise can make your body well and fit. Another important thing is isolation. You do not need to be isolated. You do not need to be isolated from your friends or relative, etc. You need to be social, not the isolation, okay. Another important thing is the ragging is very dangerous thing for senior and junior also. So you don't need to think about the ragging is means a very bad thing. So for this reason, you don't need to involve in making ragging, okay. Next thing is bad habits. Bad habits are very dangerous thing, you know. Drinking or smoking, these are bad habits, and you do not need to involved in these bad habits in the student life or in college life or school life. These bad habits are not needed, okay. Next important mistakes in student life, and it is the last mistake that I listed, it is the character building. Character building is very important thing in the student life, because in student life it is the best time for building the character. So for this reason, try to build up your character from the student lives. So these are the some mistakes that are made by some students, or that make by the students. I listed it, and this is the complete discussion about the mistakes that are make in the student life, in college life or school life. I think you like this discussion, and if you find that this discussion will give you some useful information or useful knowledge, then you like this video. And if you want to watch the other videos that I uploaded in this channel, then watch that videos and subscribe this channel to get this type of video, and watch this type of video more.